Bitcoin is up by about $1 since yesterday to now stand at nearly $1 in what looks like a mini bull run. That has on increasing volumes with most other cryptos up too, sending ETH over $170 and Beach to near $400. This rise appears to coincide with increasing concerns over an outbreak in China where some 50 million people are in quarantine. The latest official figures are some infected, mostly in Wuhan where the outbreak occurred. 106 are dead. Russia has just closed its border with China. Hong Kong has partially closed it, with the economy there expected to take a hit. China stocks plunge. January 2020. Many businesses are asking people to work from home. Some have closed factories. There are speculations 1% of the GDP may have been hit already. How long this will continue remains unknown. Key facts, like how it transmits or the fatality rate, are also not fully confirmed. Interestingly, CNY is not reacting much, and after falling somewhat yesterday, global stocks are slightly in the green today. Bitcoin, the new safe haven. Why Bitcoin is reacting to all this is not too clear, except that if there's a hit to stock markets, you'd expect a flight to safety, with Bitcoin's limited supply so making it a good candidate. That is especially because the functioning of the banking system might be affected depending on how the situation unfolds as if people. You can read full post on cryptophones. News link available in text below.